gentlemen. History teaches us a powerful lesson. Every great success is born from sacrifice. When Thomas Edison failed thousands of times, he did not call it defeat, he called it discovery. When nations rose from the ruins, they did not rise through wishes, they rise through will. Success demands more than talent. Because talent may open the doors, but character will keep it open. Success demands control. Control over fear, control over laziness, and control over desire to quit. And this is where most people stop. Yes, most people stop. But successful people begin their journeys. So, failure. What is failure? Failure is not an enemy of success. Failure is its foundation. Every fall strengthens the will. Every mistake sharpens the mind. And every struggle prepares the soul for the victory. Dear judges and my respected audience, success is not about to staying strong. Success is about to staying strong when the climbs become painful. It is not about applause. Yes, it is not about applause. It is about persistence. It is not about speed. It is about direction. So today we must understand one truth. Success is not chased. Success is earned. Because success is not a destination written in the pen. It is a decision written in the effort. Yes, written in your efforts. So those who earn it through patience, through discipline, through determination, they did not just achieve it, they define it. Thank you.